Hi, it's Richard here from Intelligent Advisor IT Consulting with another in our long-running series about the sample projects. It's 2024, and as you know, we're currently running through the example decision services, and in alphabetical order, we have now reached the service request example. The service request example can be downloaded as a JSON file like all the others. I'm going to put it on the desktop. And this particular project is all about the trim function, being able to trim excess white space from a text string. Let's go have a look. Go into Projects, Import, and import the JSON file. Give it a name so that you're able to find it and probably delete it later. So as we can see, this particular decision service is, well, frankly, minimalist. It has one input, being the description of an incident or a service request. You'll see that it's a required input, and an output which will be the trimmed version of the same piece of information using the trim function. So if we go into live mode and test it out, so I could say space, 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 blah, blah, space, blah, blah, test. And you'll see that the output is blah, blah, test, minus all of the, well, white space. Back in edit mode. Let's commit this. And of course, you know where this is going. The most reasonable use of this is to use it in a Oracle Policy Modeling project with a reference. With the new reference, select the decision service, which I called RN service request, and tie it to attributes, the untrimmed description, and the trimmed description, just as an example. Save that. And these are my two attributes. One, of course, is the input. The other one is the goal or the output. And let's go ahead and create a new screen. And we'll add the input. And let's create a substitution variable so we can put a label underneath. And there we go. We'll show the trim description. And we'll run the debug and see what happens. Switch into the interview, and we can see the new trimmed version underneath. Well, it's a showcase of a new function, trim, which was introduced in 24C, or maybe 24D actually. And as a result, it's a great example of how a decision service can truly be of service to an Oracle Policy Modeling project. That's it for this one. See you next time.